Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome to your maths class. We'll start with the new chapter today. That's chapter number 18, three-dimensional shapes. I hope, children, you all know what do you mean by two-dimensional shapes, that is 2D shapes. Yes, which we draw on a paper, that is a 2D figure. But at the same time, when we get the product, we can touch, feel, or we can use it through our senses. What do we call it as? Yes, you're right. We call it as a three-dimensional figure. That is a 3D shape. We have already learned about this, children, in your previous class, that is grade 5. So let us learn more about this year. That is the topic 3D shapes, that is three-dimensional shapes. So here we have the first one, that is cuboids. Now, children, you have learned to make cuboid form from its net last year. Do you remember, children? Using the net form, you had learned to make the cuboid. Yes, we have also learned some examples of which things are cuboidal in shape. Some of them you can see on my screen, children. Compass box, book, or any packet of biscuits. If you will take it in your hand, the full packet, you'll see that it's in cuboid shape. Cuboid is nothing but it's like in rectangular shape. Yes or no? So the net form of cuboid which you had made last year is similar over here, right? You can see here on my screen. So using this net form you had made this shape, children. Yes. So this one is the net shape which we had made last year. That is in the form of rectangle. We call it as a cuboid. So let's move ahead and learn much more about cuboid. Now a cuboid, it has 8 vertices. It has 8 vertices means it has 8 points. It has 8 vertex. What do you mean by vertex? When two sides are joining at a particular point, it's called a vertex. So let us see which vertex does this cuboids have, which figure I have made according to it. Vertex A, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D, vertex P, vertex Q, vertex R, and vertex S. Okay, children? So it has 8 vertices. What do you mean by vertex, children? When two sides are joining at a particular point, it is called a vertex. So a cuboid has 8 vertices. Okay? Now next is a cuboid has 12 edges. What do you mean by edges, children? Edges means corners. So let us see the 12 edges here. Segment AB, segment BC, segment CD, segment DA. Let us see, where is DA? Yes, segment DA. Segment AP, see downwards. Segment PS, very good. Segment SR. Segment RQ. Where is RQ, children? Yes, very good, RQ. Segment QP. Where is QP? Yes, very good. See inside QP. Yes, and segment BQ. Let us find BQ. Yes, your segment BQ. Segment DS. Yes, and the last one is segment CR. So in all, we got 12 edges in cuboids. So we have seen 8 vertices in cuboid and the 12 edges in cuboids. All the edges are not of equal length. Can you see, children, in the figure? Can you see all the edges are of equal length? No. Opposite faces are equal. Like how do we have sides in a rectangle? So here we have faces. So the opposite faces of cuboids are equal. Okay, children? So a cuboid has 6 faces. So we learned 8 vertices, 12 edges. Now let us see the faces of cuboid in this figure. So a cuboid has 8 faces. The first face which I am going to mark here is A, B, C, D. This is the first face. Next one, A, P, Q, B. See here, A, P, A, P, Q, B. This one. Okay, children? The next one we will see D, S, R, C. Yes, here. D, S, R, C. So 3 faces till now I have shown you. A, B, C, D. The above one, A, B, C, D. Okay. PQRS, this one, and DSRC, sorry, DSRC. Okay, children? Okay, now let us see APSD. AP, I'll mark it here. APSD. Okay, children, APSD. And APBQ also I showed you, na children? APBQ here. Yes. Now one last I'll show you, BQRC. This one. BQRC. See this one. This is BQRC, children. BQRC. So in all, cuboid has 6 faces. It has 12 edges. And it has 8 vertices. Opposite faces of cuboids are equal. Understood, children? And the faces of cuboid are rectangular. It is like a rectangle. Clear everyone about cuboids? Great. Let us move to the next shape, that is cubes. Now let us learn about cubes. Now see, children, you can see it on my screen. This is the net form of cube. Using this net form, you can make a cube like this. Like how last year you made cuboid using the net form, similarly you can make cube. Okay? Now let us learn more about cubes. 1 minute. A cube has 12 edges. Even it has a 12 edges. They are, see, I have drawn here on my screen the cube. Let us see the 12 edges of cube. They are this one. Let me mark. Segment AB. Can you see? Segment HE. Segment AH. Segment BE. Yes, this one. Segment CF. Yes, this one. Segment DG. ABCD. So this is DG. This middle one. Right. Segment GH. This one. Segment EF. Very good. Very nice. Segment DA. Yes, very good. Very nice. This one, DA. This is ABCD, so this is DA. Segment CB. This one, CB. Segment DC. The above one, DC. Segment GH. The down one, GH. This I already told you. Okay. So now in this you can see all the sides, or we should not say sides, all the edges are of equal length. Can you see, children, all the edges, they are of equal length? Yes. And even a cube has 8 vertices. Vertices, I told you, it means the points at the two sides which they are meeting at a particular point, we call it as a vertex. So here also they have 8 vertices, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? You can see, children? Yes. Now we learned 12 edges. We have learned 8 vertices of cubes. And what did I say you just now? All the edges are of equal length. Right, children? It is like a square. The faces of cuboids are like a square. The example here you can see it on my screen is a dice. Right, children? Here the example of cuboid is dice. So they have same. The cube has 6 faces. It has 6 faces. Now let us see the faces of cubes. Let us mark again. The first face of cube is A, B, C, D. Right, children? Now the next one is E, F, G, H. So here you can see the down one, children. E, F, G, H. Okay, children, this is the down one. Above one A, B, C, D. Down one is E, F, G, H. Now the next one we'll see A, D, G, H. Now let us see A, D, G, H. A, D, A, D, and the down one is G, H, like this. So we have seen 3 faces of cube, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and A, D, G, H. Now let us see 3 more. BCFE. Now this one is BC, the down one, this side one, BCFE. This is the fourth phase of a cube. Next one is AHEB. Let us see AHEB. This one, AHEB. Let me mark it for you. AHEB. Okay, children. Now the last one is DGFC. DGFC. So there are 6 faces of cubes, 12 edges and 8 vertices. And a cube is like a square. The faces of cubes are like squares, and all the faces of cubes are of equal length. Okay, children. Now let us move to the next shape, that is a triangular prism. Now a triangular prism, this is the net form which you can see it on my screen, and using this net form you can make a triangular prism. These are some examples also which you can see it on my screen, that a triangular prism has 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 faces. It has 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see the vertices? I'll mark it one more time. 1. Vertices means these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are 6 vertices, and it has 9 edges. It has how many edges, children? 9 edges. Okay. And what are the examples you can see here? Yes, you can see a triangular chocolate, you can see a tent, you can see a piece of watermelon, like a triangle, children. And you can see a piece of cake. So these are the example of triangular prism. So children, in today's class, what did we learn? We learned 3 new 3-dimensional shapes, that is cuboid, cubes and triangular prism. I hope till here you must have understood. We'll continue this chapter in the next class. Till then, you take care of yourself, and thank you, children. Sai Ram. See you in the next class.